If you're an aspiring forex trader, or let me say you're someone who wants to learn how to trade forex and become profitable, there are basically about 5 foundations that you need to build that's going to help you become better and profitable as a new forex trader. I'm going to show you these 5 foundations in this video, but before going into that, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Divine, and what I basically do on this channel is document how I trade and as well show you the mindset behind my strategy. If you want to see content like this, I want you to like, subscribe, and as well drop a comment. I'll be right back. Now, there are basically about 5 foundations that you need to build that's going to help you become a profitable and a better trader. Now, these 5 foundations, I'm going to walk you through step by step. Now, the first foundation is for you to understand the basics of forex trading and as well how it works. And now, for you to understand the basic of forex trading, you simply need to understand what forex trading is. Forex trading is simply the buying and selling of a country's currency pair just to make profits. Now, forex simply means foreign exchange, and foreign exchange is simply the conversion of a country's currency pair to another country's currency pair. Let me make it a bit easier for you. If you want to buy a clothes or if you want to sell a clothes, you simply need to go to the market where you can be able to buy those clothes and buy those clothes. Now you convert your your local currency into a clothes. And now if you want to sell a clothes, you simply go to the market where clothes are being sold and join them and sell your clothes by converting your clothes into your local currency. Same goes with forex. Now, the market where you're able to convert this currency to another currency is simply referred to as the forex market. And the whole aim of this thing is for you to make profits. And for you to be able to make profits, you simply need to understand how forex works. And how forex works is that there's a little principle that you need to follow for you to be able to make profits in the forex market. That is for you to buy when price is low and sell when price is high. But the most complicating thing is that how do you know when price is low and how do you know when price is high? Now, there are basically about 4 factors that you need to consider for you to know when price is low and as well when price is high. Those factors are referred to as 1. Technical analysis, 2. Fundamental analysis, 3. Risk management, and 4. Your psychology. Now, these 4 factors work hand in hand for you to be able to know when to buy and as well when to sell. I'm going to walk you through all of this in my subsequent video where I'm going in deep division. I'm going to walk you through in all of this in my subsequent video where I'm going to explain in full details how these things work hand in hand for you to know when to buy and as well when to sell. So if you want to see those subsequent videos I'm going to post on the channel, I intrigue that you like this video, drop a comment saying full video and as well subscribe. Now, the next foundation that you need to pay attention to is for you to understand who trades the market and who does not trade the market. Now, whenever it comes to the forex market, there are basically about 2 categories of people trading the market. We have the retail traders and we have the institutional traders. Now, the retail traders are simply categorized into 4 different groups. We have the scalpers, we have the day traders, we have the swing traders, we have the position traders. Now, the scalpers are simply those type of traders who tend to take advantage of little movement in the market just so that they can accumulate bigger and plenty profit. That means they quickly go in and go out of the market just to accumulate series of profits. Now we have the day traders. They are simply traders who simply go into the market and close within the day. That means they don't hold trade over the next day. They close within the trade. And majority of all the forex traders fall into these categories that they are referred to as day traders. Now we have the swing traders who trade from one swing to the next swing. That means they're basically trading from one swing high to the next swing low, or one swing low to the next swing high. And they can even hold trades for like days or even weeks. Now we have the position traders. The position traders are simply traders who try to hold trade for a long period of time. They can hold for weeks, months, and even years. They're just position traders. Now, when it comes to the institutional traders, there are basically about different types of institutional traders who trade the market. To have the banks, we have the hedge funds, we have the brokers, we have the market makers, and the rest of them. So these are like people who trade in very large quantities of money. That means they transact with very huge amount of money that actually moves the market or that makes the market take reaction. You see, they are referred to as the institutional trader because they have higher volume of trading in the market. Now, the next foundation I need to understand is for you to understand the risk to reward in the forex market. Now, it's very risky for you to trade the market because you're likely going to lose all your money. But in as much as you're going to make a lot of losses, you can make a bigger profit. That means for you to make profits, you simply need to make small losses. And for you to make small losses, you simply need to be able to make bigger profits. So the losses and the profit work hand in hand. There's no profit without a loss, and there's no loss without a profit. What I'm trying to say that is there must be a loss in the market. But what makes you a good trader is the ability to have small losses and as well have bigger profits. And there's a technique for you to be able to achieve that. I'm going to explain all of this in my subsequent videos. Now, the next foundation that you need to understand is for you to understand that you need a trading plan. A trading plan is simply what tells you when to buy from the market, when to sell in the market, and as well when to exit the forex market. Now, it have a set of instruction of what you should do and what you should not do in the forex market. Just like every other business in the world, they require a business plan. So trading is a business, and as well you need a trading plan. I'm just saying to you that the trading plan is simply what have the set of instruction that tells you what to do and what not to do in the market. Now, the last but not the least foundation I need to build is for you to understand how to get started. Now, for you to get started, you simply need to have a broker account, you simply have an MT4, and you simply need to have a trading view. Now, these three apps work hand in hand for you to be able to have a very smooth sailing as a forex trader. Now, the broker is simply what connects you within the market and where you're buying from. It's like what gives you access to be able to buy in the market or sell in the market. Just like I explained for you earlier, that if you want to buy, you have to go to the market that sells and all that. Now, the broker allows you to have access to the forex market so that they can be able to buy and as well be able to sell. And for you to be able to open the broker account, you simply need to sign up with any broker of your choice. They have plenty of brokers out there that you can sign up with. But if you want to use one I'm using, you can check the link in the description. You're going to see the broker that I'm using to trade, and you can sign up as well too. Just like Facebook accounts, it's very easy to open. Just put your name and all of those things, and then you're boom, good to go. Now, the next one, which is the MT4. The MT4 is simply a platform that allows you to be able to open a position, close a position, and withdraw a position. So it's just like the platform that the broker is going to give you a login that you're going to use to access that platform. Platform is referred to as the MT4. And most of the time, you can use it to analyze the trade as well too. But I often use it to only place my trade and execute my trade. Now we have trading view. Trading view is simply what I use to analyze my chart and as well have a clearer picture of what's going on in the market and as well analyze the chart. So I basically don't use the MT4 to analyze the chart. I always use the place to trade while I use the trading view to analyze the charts. Now, if you're able to understand these 5 foundations in the market, you're definitely going to have a very good beginning in forex markets. And I'll be here to as well to give you whatever assistance might need as a new beginner in forex markets. Just drop a comment or feel free to write me on Instagram and I'm going to respond to you. If you find this content very useful and you want to see content like this, I would like you to subscribe, drop a comment, and as well like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.